Deep in the heart of Uganda is the Buganda Kingdom, which dates back to the 14th century and has been home to 36 kings. The current king, or Kabaka, is Ronald Mwenda Mutebi II. He is one of more than 200 ceremonial royals in Africa. Ceremonial royals are kings or queens of small regions in their countries and have no official power. The king lives here with his family, including his nephew, Prince Fred, who's very proud of his family's traditions.
We invented a special material known as bark cloth, and this comes from a tree. So apart from the bark cloth, we have a gomez. Up to now, ladies cannot attend any cultural function without this. And when it comes to men, we put on the tunic. This we copied from the Arabs.
Food is also very important. Much like the rest of Uganda, green bananas known as matoke are a favorite.
Our staple is matoke, the green bananas. And this is out of research that an average in Uganda eats more than 450 kilograms of matoke. The bananas, we peel, steam, and mash like potatoes. And to a Muganda, you can give him every type of food, minus matoke, and then it is not food, because that is what we call food.
But Buganda's history hasn't always been smooth.
In 1967, the kingdoms in Uganda were abolished by President Obote. Then 1993, the sitting president of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, he reinstated monarchies in the country. And our Kabaka, that's a king, he was crowned on 31st of July, 1993.
One of the Kabaka's palaces is Mengo Palace. It has served as the official residence of the last three kings of Buganda Kingdom. This is the same place where the Buganda Agreement was signed in 1900 between the Kabaka and the British, which unified Buganda and Uganda into one country under British rule. The Nantaweto Monument is a roundabout on the Royal Mile to honor the king. He's the only one allowed to pass through the middle of it. Sculptures honor the kingdom's 56 clans. At the end of the Royal Mile is the Buganda Parliament. It's the administrative capital of the kingdom. Uganda's largest man-made lake can be found here. It's called Kabaka's Lake. This is all thanks to the 56 clans of the Buganda Kingdom. It is said that Kabaka Mwanga II loved fishing and swimming, and he therefore came up with a plan to construct a channel wide enough to travel to Lake Victoria by boat. Some people believe kings and queens have no place in modern countries, but the Bugandan family think it's important to keep traditions alive.
The kingdom is a ceremonial monarchy, and the king here, he doesn't participate in partisan politics.
If you like that video, we've got more content like this, so make sure you subscribe.